Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Youthful Living. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are going to make quick and easy juice for skin whitening. So let's take a look at the ingredients. All you need is 3 carrots and 1 large tomato. I have chopped the tomatoes and the carrots, and now I'm going to take a blender or a mixer jar and make the juice. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So as you can see, I have blended the juice and the juice is ready in just 2 minutes. So drink this juice every day for best results, and you will definitely see your skin is glowing. Please do try this, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.